see Brian from Alicona at the Advanced Engineering Show. Now, you might ask, why that Advanced Engineering Show? Because people tend to think of your products as scientific, laboratory-based, is that right?
Yeah, Colin. Alicona started in the UK about 12 years ago, and we concentrated initially on the academic and industrial education markets. But more recently, in the last 3 or 4 years, we've wanted to move much more into industry, and we now have products which are really suited for industry and are deep being used. So we're here to show that to the public walking round. In addition, we're also here with a new partner, Optimax. Optimax we've worked with for the last 10 years basically, but more recently we've moved them into the sales role, and so now they're both sales and support.
Okay. So tried and trusted partner there. But Alicona, if an engineer doesn't know you, what would they be doing with your equipment?
All of Alicona's equipment is optical based, so it's optical measurement. So we can measure surface finish, we can measure surface geometry, we can measure complex components. The main markets that we address are obviously aerospace, automotive, and within that feature measurement and surface finish measurement, but also failure analysis. So we're well suited for those markets.
Now, failure analysis, what do you mean by that?
Well, if a component has failed, maybe in a race car engine, they need to understand why it's failed, and our measurements will enable them to deduce or understand the reasons for the failure.
Okay. And you mentioned sort of aerospace as well, motorsport, so high-end precision parts?
Very much high-end precision parts, where criticality is important, but also we're able to develop solutions to measure things which are essentially really difficult to measure. We have automation of measurement, we can measure 3D features, we can measure across large areas. So we offer a very wide range of measurement technologies which really supplement rather than replace existing technologies.
Okay, so I'm looking at this equipment here, I'm thinking the components won't be that big, but so that won't be an issue, you've got solutions there.
Yeah, these instruments here obviously we're using for display, but if we've got larger products, we can put one of our measurement sensors on the end of a cobot or a robot, and so we can take the measurement to the component rather than taking the component to the measurement.
Right, okay. And what sort of things are you measuring?
What do you mean in terms of components, or?
Yeah, your surface finish, etc.
We're measuring surface finish, roughness, RA values, SA values, general geometry, small radii, maybe down to 2 microns, so it's that sort of level.
Okay, and in terms of data and information you're getting from your equipment to the engineer, what are you providing to them?
We supply them with information of the measurement, but we can also export a 3D data file as a CAD file, for example, for comparison against the CAD model.
Okay, so great example of what you're doing. So as an engineer, what are who are you calling out to at the moment?
Pretty much anyone involved in precision engineering.
Okay.
These are the people we need to talk to, and we can offer these specialised solutions for that.
Excellent. Well, that's it, nice and simple. So precision engineers and a specialised solution.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Brilliant. Brian, thank you very much.
Thank you, Colin.